Howdy folks, welcome to part 17 here. We're going to go ahead and get our steels and our clutches in, and you want to start with a steel. So the steel goes in first. See if I can get this in the light a little better. And the way this goes in, I gotta find that tang on it. There it is. Okay. See how this has that tang on there? This has to go down in the case here. So you turn this just like this. Make sure the tang is right here. It's facing down. And just line it up. It goes in first. Next, it goes in a friction. Now these have been soaking, so these are good to go. Just line it up. There we go. Friction goes in next. And you put in a steel. So then you wipe the steel off. Alright. Got our steel here. And you just line it up. So let's find our end on here. There it is. And that goes in next. Then we go to a friction. I'm just flipping them over to make sure these are good and soaked. The friction goes next. Then we go with the steel. Friction off. Sorry to keep putting the camera down, y'all. I had these a little ready beforehand. So we put our steel in here. There's our steel. Put our friction. Always get the one on the bottom because it's been soaking. So there's our friction. We got our steel. And these are the same steels that were in it. I'm reusing them, I'm not replacing these steels. Now you can get these steels different thicknesses. So there's our steel. We put it in the friction. And get a steel. That. And this is our last steel now. That goes like this. Remember the tang goes down. See, the tang is right here, the pan's right here. That's what they don't show you. So your pan's going to be right here, and there is your tang right here. So make sure this is facing towards the pan, that little tang. And finally, we put in our last friction. That's what we end with. Okay. Just rotating and checking. Alright. Now, the next thing that goes in is our center support. th350 new. Okay. That's what we're ending with. Okay. Alright, next thing is our center support here. And you want to check this race here. That this spins. See that? Hard to do with one hand. But just make sure that it spins. So this goes in next. So we'll go ahead and do that. Yeah. Went ahead and soaked this. Put this in. Alright. We have to line this up.